On Betway's Metshameko Madness, I'm your host, Wamulimi Murubi Wakakukari Tipi, Wasopedi, Mr. Kennedy Thal. I'm with Botswana's most handsome personalities, media mogul and entrepreneur, Mr. Luungo Andre Pizzi. He's tall, he's handsome, he's moisturized, and he has a full and healthy beard. It's the man in the flesh, Mr. TK. Now, the winner of today's game will walk away with 10,000 pula to donate to a charity of their choice.
I'm ready to win.
On 3, 2, 1, let's go! What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Is it junk in the trunk? Is it blind taste? Is it bobble pong? Is it cluck and pop? It is cluck and pop!
That's right.
That's what I'm talking about. TK. You're a very handsome chicken.
Thank you very much.
You have 30 seconds to pop as many of these balloons as possible. Each small balloon is worth 100 points. The big balloons, however, are multipliers. They will double your overall score. If you just pop a big balloon, that's still 0 points because you have nothing to double. You have to pop these balloons with your butt. Are you ready? I'm gonna count you down from 3, 2, 1. Let's go, boys! Come on now. Now you want to ease into it because they tend to run away. Oh! Come on now, 21 seconds, let's go. Let's go, TK. Come on, TK. 14 seconds, let's go. You might want to get a multiplier, TK. 10 seconds. Come on now, double those points. Double. 6 seconds, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! How was that experience for you?
That was exhilarating.
How are you feeling? Do you think you've got what it takes to beat him?
Let me tell you, look at me, baby.
I'm ready. For rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Lungo, let's go now.
What did I say?
27 seconds. That's one balloon. Let's go. 24. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. I think he's smoking you. You have 20 seconds, Lungo.
Look, I did so much more than this. He actually had to stand up for that.
Try and get those multipliers now.
Going on there.
Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0. Smoked it.
How are you feeling?
I am drained, honey.
Drained?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at the results. Lungo, you come in at 1,600 points. That's what I'm talking about. TK.
Let's see what happens now. Yeah.
I don't mean to be discouraging, but Lungo popped twice as many balloons as you.
Hey!
Lungo, but he popped 2 multipliers. You also come in at 1,600 points. It is a draw for 10,000 The both of you can select one charity that you both agree on, and you will give that charity 10,000 pula. Catch these games and more on Betway. I'm your host, Kennedy Thal. Target. Hey!